when I ask the question, what is the next thought that will arise in my mind, and wait with alertness, I can observe the mind for about 3 minutes. I mentioned that in a book somewhere. Say if you are like a cat watching a mouse hole, if you say, okay, let's see what the next thought is that comes into my mind. And then you become very alert, because the cat has to catch the mouse, which might suddenly rush out of the mouse hole. So the cat, of course, is very alert when it watches the mouse hole. The cat goes and can sit for half an hour. So when you're that alert, I said in the Power of Now, you may find that the next thought doesn't arise, because you're just too alert for thinking to arise. What's my next? Let's see if I can catch the next thought. And it's not coming. Make sure you don't get tense in that. No, there's no tension there, just attention, but not tension. Now, this interesting question here, he says, when I ask the question, what's the next thought that will arise in my mind, and wait with alertness, I can observe the mind for about 3 minutes. He's not really observing the mind, but because the mind has subsided. However, I do not feel the presence, he says. Again, the same mistake of thinking the present is some object that arises, that you become aware of. The presence is awareness. So those 3 minutes, that is the presence. And your mind is telling you, you still have to look for it.